Welcome to Crack Crypto with Anamika, and this is your prediction for the week between 29th of January to the 4th of February. Now, before using any of the predictions along with your technical analysis, please make sure that you check our previous videos and how well the predictions did. That will help you get an idea on how to use the predictions or if to use them at all or not. Now the end of January could take a positive turn. Whatever the price is on 28th, a slightly more positive turn than that is what we're expecting for the last few days of January. 29 January has a lot of concentration of planets in Aquarius and a conjunction of Saturn and Neptune in Pisces. There is also a Mercury conjunction with Venus around the evening of the 29th, where the market behavior could be more sentiment driven. Retail emotions activated in the market. The Bitcoin price can have a short time bounce, more optimistic, but still not very sustainable because January 31st to 19th Feb is not too good for crypto, I would say. Post that, I expect the 30th and 31st to be along the lines of 29th. That is, the price could go either a little bit positive, but primarily sideways is what I'm expecting. February 2nd, I think the market could dump. There is a full moon in Leo, in which typically the market faces a crash or a dump, which is the 2nd of February. Just when the 2nd comes around 3 a.m. in the night, you can expect an emotional peak, an overreaction, or an extreme public sentiment, which likely leads to sort of another local high and then a drop. A volatile price movement, exaggeration of the trend which is already running, which in my mind is currently a negative transit we are going through for the crypto market. I expect the same to be continued on the 2nd as well. But apart from that, there are some positive placements as well. Uranus is stationing direct on the February 3rd, which is likely to influence this day. It may influence the next 2 days as well, that is 4th and 5th, making them a little positive. So, as much as 2nd of February is negative, there are some positive conjunctions as well. Apart from that, in Bitcoin's chart, Mercury is conjuncting Neptune, and also in the general chart, Mercury is sextile to Chiron. So somewhere in the market you can expect around the same day confusion, fake narratives, mixed signals in the market. But apart from all of that, February 3rd and 4th, I would say, are a little bit more of positive days because, of course, the Uranus is turning direct, and market in such a case could suddenly shift in volatility. Algo activities can increase in the market, and for Bitcoin price in general, there is going to be a single side directional pressure starting where the market prepares for a real move. Still unstable, not very clean yet, but still a little bit more positive. Now in the Bitcoin's chart, there is another conjunction where the Venus is conjuncting Neptune in 2nd house, and in the general chart, Venus is sextiling to Chiron. Now in such a case, the market can face a little bit of euphoria, like an illusion or a hope rally, where there is going to be price wise a soft pump for only that particular day, a little bit of a bullish market emotionally, but still weak structural strength. This is what I'm expecting for the 4th of February in particular. So if I have to give it to you in a nutshell, I am expecting 29th could be whatever the price is on 28th, a little bit more positive turn from that, or just positive for 29th and sideways for 30th and 31st. Then first night, basically around early hours, 3:30 a.m. of the 2nd of February, I expect a market dump coming in. Typically a full moon in Leo would lead to a market dump, and the 3rd and 4th of February could be a recovery from that, because the 4th is a tad bit positive while the 3rd is sideways. But whatever the price is on 2nd, I expect the market to just go up a little bit or hover around the same area for the next 2 days. That's all for our prediction for the next week. Do like and follow and watch more.